Hi, I'm architect Sonura, and in this video I am going to tell you about how to change units in Autocad. And for changing units in Autocad you are required to type shortcut command UN enter. For units, UN is the shortcut command, so I will type here UN enter units, and this window will come drawing units, and after this we can start changing our units. Or else you can go to this AutoCAD logo also, and you will click here and then go to drawing utilities, and in drawing utilities you can select units also, and also this window will come here drawing units, and you can start changing either by entering UN or going through this drawing utilities. So if you want to work in or meter, you are required to select this decimal, and if you are working in feet, you will select architectural. So first I will show how to change in meter or So after that I will select this decimal, and precision means how much digit you want after decimal. So it is written 0.00, that means 1.58 something like that. And if you will change this precision to 0.0040 zeros are there after decimal, so that means 1.1234 like something value will come. And I'm going to put it 0.00, or you can keep 0 also. And after that I'm going to select meters here, or also I'm selecting meters, and then this will be default international, and I will hit OK. And after that you are required to enter limits, and in limits you can specify lower left corner, you can keep default 0.00 and hit enter, and specify upper right corner, it is written 2000 comma 3000. It is taking my previous project value. You can change. What do you mean by this upper right corner? That means if you are working on some larger projects, so you can easily zoom your drawing, zoom in, zoom out. That will be easy if you will keep lower values. And if you are working on larger projects, so it will be bit uncomfortable to you to zoom in and zoom out. So you will keep value same, or you can keep larger value also. I will keep same. I'm hitting enter, and then I will enter command zoom enter, and then I will select a zoom all, means you want to zoom everything. So I will select all, and shortcut command is A, enter, and after that regenerating model. And when it is regenerating, after that you can start designing your work, and you can start working on your plans like line command and all. Many times people want to change the units within working in a project. Suppose if I am working here in feet and inches, suppose this is some objects I have made, it can be room also. This is 60 feet by 30 feet. If I want to change now to meter, how I will do this? And if I want to change to millimeters or some inches, how I will do that? For doing within a project, for changing the units, you are required to type command dwg units or minus dwg units. I'm going to enter dwg units here, and I'm selecting this, and now it is showing drawing units for length 1. That means it is drawing units, the default is inches, feet in inches. If I want to change this to millimeters or meter, I have to select this digit like 6. And if I want to work for millimeters, I have to select 3. So I want to work for meters, I will select here 6, enter, and then it will ask linear display units format. 2. That means either you are required to select scientific for 1, 2 for decimal. So I will select here 2, that is for decimal, because if you select scientific, that it will show some applications, and that will numerical value will be different. So I will select here decimal. So I am going to select 2. Then display precision means how many digits. So I am going to keep default 4. So I will hit enter, and it will ask scale objects from other drawings upon insert. So if you insert any drawing within this drawing, that will be scaled according to this project. So I will going to select yes, or shortcut Y, enter, and then match insert units to drawing units. That also I am going to click yes, and then scale objects in current drawing to reflect changes in units. Obviously we want to scale objects, and after changing the units I am going to select yes, and then include objects in paper space. Paper space, this layout option, layout 1, layout 2, so that will be scaled in that also. So I will click here yes. If you want to know, then you can select no also. I'm going to select um, yes, enter, and then it is scaling entities in model space. You can hit zoom, Z, enter, and then extend E, shortcut E, enter, and then your drawing is uh, converted to meter, and then that you can check here by typing distance command, di, enter, and you can just hit one part to another part, and it's showing 18.28 meter. So if I want to check, I can check by Google meter to foot. I am hitting 18.28 meter, and is showing 60 feet almost here. I mean before starting a project, and I can check one more time, di, enter. I will click this to this 18.2880. So that is 59.97 288. If I am entering increasing 3 precision, it is correctly coming to 60 feet. That means our drawing is converted, and I am going to enter dimension style. That means I want to change this dimension also. I am going to hit enter, D, enter, and I am going to modify, and I can change this primary units to decimal, and this precision to 30, and then I will hit OK, and set current and close. So you are clearly seeing our drawing is converted to 18.28 meter, and we started from feet. So this is the procedure of using DWG units to convert your units within a project. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Software Mania, and give your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.